Hello class 8 students. Till chapter 20 already completed. Today I'll start another chapter, chapter 19, data handling. Data. Data means collection of numerical facts regarding a particular type of information which is known by data. That information may be marks of several students in a class, height, weight, whatever. All this collection of numerical facts where some information takes place is known by data. Data are two categories. One is primary data, one is secondary data. Primary data means one investigator will collect the data. He will use by himself. That data is known as primary data. Like example, marks of 10 students in a mathematics test. You will collect by yourself and you will use for maybe making frequency table or whatever. That data is known as primary data. Secondary data, some other person will collect and will be using that data. That is known as secondary. Like election results obtained from television, through media, we are getting the information. We are not collecting directly. That is your secondary data. So comparing to secondary, primary data is much more relevant. Now raw data. Collection of data in any manner, not in a proper arrangement, is called raw data. One example, marks of 10 students out of 5 marks in a mathematics test. I have given this example. 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 4, 5. These are the marks obtained by 10 students. We didn't arrange anything, randomly collected, small, big, all mixed up. This collection is known as raw data. When you will arrange them from small to big, big to small, like here I have arranged from small to big serially, this is known as array. Here one formula you will be getting, range. Range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. In our collection, highest mark was 5, lowest 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 is the range. So whenever you want to calculate range, highest value how much in your collection minus lowest value can give you the range. Again remember, any particular data occurs how many times is called its frequency. Any particular number occurs how many times. So marks, frequency. In my collection, I have the marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 I have 1 time, so frequency of 1 is 1. 2 I have 5 times, frequency will be 5. 3 1 time, 4 1 time, 5 2 times. So marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Frequency for 1 it is only 1 time. 2 we have 5 times, 3 1 time, 4 1 time, 5 2 times. Total 10. But whenever you will calculate frequency, maybe so many numbers will be given together. At that time, to make our counting easier, we can use tally marks. Tally marks means a group of 5 sticks, where 4 sticks will be kept like this and 1 will cross like this. It can cross in this direction also. So a group of 5 sticks is known as tally marks. Whenever you will count the frequencies, tally marks is very much important. Next, regarding pictogram or pictograph, that is, we will use the pictures to represent the statistical data. By taking different pictures, you will represent on a plain paper the pictogram. Next, regarding bar graph. A bar graph is the graphical representation of statistical data in the form of rectangles standing on the x-axis. Already you have learned about x-axis and y-axis. In this x-axis, on the positive side, by keeping equal gap, we will represent the respective data in the form of rectangles, which is known as bar graph. We will be doing in exercise 19. Chapter 19 we will be doing this bar graph also. Even pie chart also will be doing this time. What is pie chart? Other name is circle graph. Now a pie chart represents relative quantities by areas of sectors of a circle. So what is sector? Now in a circle, a region which is bounded by radius and arc, then this portion is called sector, where this angle is known by sector angle, central angle. So a region of circle which is bounded by 2 radii and 1 arc is known as sector of the circle. Now, whatever components will be given to you to draw a pie chart, that component, by getting respective sector angle, central angle, will represent inside the circle in different sectors. That will be your pie chart. For that, only this formula I will be using. Central angle for each component, whatever it will be there in your question, central angle for each component is equal to value of each component divided by total value into 360. Because measurement of one circle is 360, that's your complete angle. This is the only formula which I'll be using for making pie chart. So these are the general concept which I have given to you today. Please go through all the concepts properly. In the next class, I'll start exercise 19.1. For today, this much only. Bye.